This is Kevin, and I'm a strategist at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, I'm going to be talking about resources, specifically publications. I'm going to be creating a publication, but instead of using the create function, I'm going to duplicate a pre-existing publication item as a starting point. So I'm going to use this test publication right here as that starting point. And to access publications, we're going to go into the Sitefinity dashboard, and then we're going to go to Content, and then Publications under Resources and Insights. And this will bring up a list of all publications currently on our Sitefinity CMS. And this is the one right here that I wanted to use as my source test publication. So what I can do is either check this checkbox, and that opens up the Actions menu right here, and then I would select Duplicate, or I could use the Actions menu way over on the right, and Duplicate is also in there about halfway down. So we're going to duplicate instead of using the Create a Publication button. So I'm going to click on that, and now this opens up the Publication Editor screen, and it looks like I'm editing test publication. But if you look in the upper left-hand corner, it actually says I'm creating a publication. It just so happens that all the same information from that test publication is already here and filled in. So all I have to do now for this new publication is just make some changes. So I'm going to rename this one Test Duplicate Publication. And I won't change the type, because I recommend finding an original publication that is nearly identical to the new publication's content. So then you'll have to make as few changes as possible in this stage. So obviously I would have a new summary and a new main content that I would paste in here. And then I would just keep scrolling down for things I need to change to suit the new publication. So let's say this one is not about Berta or not related to Berta. I would want to hover over Berta and click the X to remove. And then I would want to add some new team members that this new publication is related to. And I would do the same for expertise. Remove the old if it's no longer relevant, and then plug in the new. And same for sectors. I also have the opportunity to change the primary image. So to remove the old, I would hover over again until the X icon appears, and then I'd click that. And then to add a new primary image, I would click the plus sign, either upload from my desktop, my computer, or I would find a new image in my libraries already on Sitefinity. And of course, related document as well works the same way as related image or other content. I could remove with the X and then add new. The great thing about duplicating a pre-existing item as a starting point is you are instantly aware of what fields you filled in last time. So I didn't worry about SEO on the last publication, and I'll skip it here too. I'll leave the category as the same, and I'll add test category 2. So when we're all done with this, we can hit publish, and that would save and make live. And then I'm going to go back to the front end of my demo site, refresh, and show you the duplicate. So here I am on the front end again. I'm going to refresh, scroll up, and there you see my new test duplicate publication, created pretty quickly by duplicating that pre-existing publication as a starting point.